Now let me give the deputy minority leader. Deputy minority leader. Okay, let me give the deputy minority whip. Okay, Senator. As far as my hemispheres are correct, the deputy minority leader is none other than. He knows him, even he is looking at me very. Senator Wambua?
Yeah, that's better. Senator Wambua. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, just a slight point of clarification as we support this this motion. That name that you read was the former deputy minority leader. Now, the person speaking is the deputy majority leader. The label is here. Mr. Speaker, I support the 7 names, and as my colleagues have said, Mr. Speaker, we all expect that this team will ensure that the decisions that we made in Naivasha during our midterm review, those decisions are followed to the letter. The Speaker, secondly, I have a problem with the moving of that motion, because that motion, the Speaker, was supposed to be moved by the majority leader, but it was moved by the minority leader. Mr. Speaker, you will realize that this is a decision that the Speaker must give direction on.
What is your
Mr. Speaker, when I rise on a point of order, you don't give me a chance. When other senators rise on a point of order, you give them a chance, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Speaker. Mheshimiwa Speaker, kwa heshima kuu, ningependa kupata ufafanuzi na maelezi. Ni lini kiongozi mwenzangu alijiapisha na kujipa mamlaka ya kujitangaza peupe ndani ya Senate kwamba yeye ni kiongozi na kiti chake kiko bure upande ule mwingine? Mheshimiwa Speaker, Wakenya wasiwe na tabia ya kunyakua uongozi kupitia mlango wa nyuma. Mheshimiwa Speaker, Mheshimiwa, hili ni jumba la Senate na koti liko kule nje. Mheshimiwa Speaker, hata nimevaa koti hapa. Mheshimiwa Speaker, nimevaa koti Mheshimiwa Speaker, na kuna koti lingine kule nje. Mheshimiwa Speaker, hoja ya nizamu, kwa sababu ni sheria, nataka maelezo. Ni maelezo viongozi. Sasa Speaker, naomba ueleze.
Honorable Senators, that matter was raised by Senator Okongo Mugeni, Senator from Nyamira County. And I gave guidance long time ago that absolutely there was no court matter, court ruling on the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. So anybody referring to the matter that I give guidance is out of order. So let us dispense the motion that we have so that we can proceed. Let Senate be under Senator Wambua. Let us. You know. Who is giving the mic when I'm speaking, clerks? Who is giving you the mic? So, honorable senators, in my led communication that I made, I said categorically that we didn't need to be more organized. I applauded you for the way we carried ourselves during the 3rd session. This is the start of the 4th session, day 1. And we agreed on so many matters when we were in Naivasha. So therefore, senators want us really to start in the light footing. Let us dispense of this motion without any side issues, without matters that don't matter to the Senate, to us. Senator Wambua, can you conclude?
Speaker, you know, that's where I was going before I was interrupted by my colleague, my friend. The Speaker, when senators seek clarification, we don't do it for ourselves. We do it for the people that we lead. We are not here because we brought ourselves here, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, there's some bit of confusion out there on this issue of the leadership in the House. And I know, Mr. Speaker, you have pronounced yourself on it. All the thing that I'm saying, Mr. Speaker, is that should have formed a part of the formal communication by the Speaker so that you settle the matters. Mr. Speaker, you will remember, and this is, I'm going to add now, this is what one thing you realize in this Senate, Mr. Speaker. This is the House where the Secretary General of the two largest political parties in the AZIMIO coalition sit. The Secretary General of ODM sits in the Senate. The Secretary General of WIPA sits in this Senate, Mr. Speaker. And the Deputy Party Leader of ODM sits in the Senate, Mr. Speaker. And when you see the leadership of AZIMIO, the entire leadership, move to this side, Mr. Speaker, you have to take note. There must be something, really. I mean, take note, Mr. Speaker. Take note. Mr. Speaker, take note. And there is, but this is a very serious issue, Mr. Speaker. It is serious, Mr. Speaker, because look at the ones that are calling themselves majority. Where is their leadership? Where are the leaders? Where are they, Mr. Speaker? We only have the majority leader and the whip. Where are the rest, Mr. Speaker? We said we will be very serious this time around, Mr. Speaker, and this is a demonstration of seriousness. Mr. Speaker, guide this House on the matter of Standing Order 22 on who actually in this House is the majority and who is the minority. Mr. Speaker, I rest my case.
Speaker, I've not spoken. Senator Mwenda Gataya.
Thank you for giving me an opportunity to contribute to this very crucial motion. Honorable Speaker, can you protect me from some round consultations? Senator Hendy, please. Honorable Speaker, from the onset, Honorable Speaker, can you protect me, Senator Onyonka? This is not. We are not in a club. Can you please?
Senator Onyonka. Proceed.
You know, you cannot just make round calls when somebody is on the floor. It's you, and you are insist on the petition for that. No, Honorable Speaker, I want to support the risk from the onset. You know, Honorable Speaker, this is a very crucial committee, which is supposed to process very important business of this House. I have been able to comb through the list. You know, we are midway, we are midterm, we have been together for the last almost 12 years. We know each other. I've looked at the number of people that have been put into that list. I know all of them by name, by their competence. And I think, Honorable Speaker, this is the best team that the leadership has produced that is supposed to steer the business of this House to some great heights. But I would also request that we reconsider the request made by my neighbor, my brother, Senator Mungatana, that we are supposed to prioritize the business of this House, because we have quite a number of pending issues that are supposed to be processed, and we are not supposed maybe to give priority to a number of businesses that are generating from the National Assembly, for that matter. So, our Speaker, having been around for the last close to 2 years, the membership of this committee is competent, is equal to the task, and I hope, Honorable Speaker, we are going to have our businesses processed efficiently, and it's a team that I strongly support, Honorable Speaker. I support.